Assalamu alaikum, hi there, welcome to my channel. If I help you, do like the video and share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Today we are going to solve Cambridge GCSE Mathematics Paper 1 Core 0580 Variant 13 May-June 2019. Let's start the first question. Write 3.058 correct to 3 significant figures. So 3 significant figures, this is 1, 2 and 3. Draw a line here. Look at the number after. This is 8. If it is more than 5, you add 1 to the previous number. So what number are you going to get now? 3.06. Question number 2. Write 0.45 as a fraction in its simplest form. Put this in the calculator and you will get 9/20. Next, factorize 2x square minus x. What does x square means? It means x multiplied by x and minus x. What is common? X is common. So we factorize the x. What are you left with here? 2x minus. If there is nothing, this was 1x, right? So you put a 1 here. The answer is x bracket 2x minus 1. Question number 4. Find the coordinates of the point where the line y is equal to 3x minus 8 crosses the y-axis. This is your y-axis. This is your x-axis. Any point on the y-axis will have x coordinate as 0. So this is something you need to remember. Anything on the y-axis will have the x coordinate as 0. Anything on the x-axis will have y coordinate as 0. So simply put in place of x 0 and you will get y is negative 8. We already know that x is 0 and now y is negative 8. So 0 and negative 8 is the answer. Question number 5. Giulio's reaction times are measured in 2 games. In the first game, his reaction time is 1/3 of a second. In the second game, his reaction time is 1/8 of a second. Find the difference between the two reaction times. So this is a very easy question. We just have to find the difference. Difference means subtract. So 1/3 minus 1/8. You can use your calculator directly and you will get the answer 5/24. You can leave it as a fraction. Next, the probability that Alex wins a prize is 0.27. Find the probability that Alex does not win a prize. The total probability is always equal to 1. So the probability of something happening plus the probability of something not happening. This complement or dash we say as not A. So probability of A plus probability of not A is equal to 1. You have been given the probability of something happening. So probability of something not happening will be 1 minus the probability of that thing happening, which is 1 minus 0.27. That will give us 0.73. This is an important rule. You need to know that. And also, when we write it in this form, you need to know this also. Question number 7. The table shows the different methods of travel for 20 people going to work. So this is the method of travel and the frequency has been given to us. Which type of average, mean, median or mode can be used for this information? I hope you know how to find mean, median and mode. For this sort of data, where category has been given to us like car, walk, bike and bus, the best average that can be used is mode. Now moving on to question number 8. Put this in the calculator and you will get the answer 6. Part B, again the same thing, put it in the calculator correctly and you will get the answer 2.154. You can leave it like that or round it to 2 decimals. Question number 9, simplify. we have been given 4 algebraic terms and we have to simplify. We will put the like terms together. So 4x plus 10x and negative 12y plus 25y. Put the numbers in the calculator. 4 plus 10, 14x. And negative 12 plus 25 will give us plus 13y. Question number 10. Here is a list of numbers. We have been given a few numbers, and from this list we have to write down a prime number and an irrational number. I will put in the description a link to my video on different types of numbers. Do watch it. So what is a prime number? A prime number is a number that is divisible only by itself and 1. It means it is not in any other times table except 1 and itself. 31 is a prime number. Even square root 121 is a prime number because square root 121 is 11. And 11 is not in any other times table except 11. Part B, an irrational number. An irrational number is a number that cannot be written as a fraction. So from here, which numbers cannot be written as a fraction? If you have a whole number, we can write it as a fraction with the denominator 1. If you have a decimal, that can be written also as a fraction. So here the irrational number is square root 30. Question number 11 is a vector question. Work out 2p plus 3q. So let the 2 be out and we will write the vector p here and q here. Now 2 we are going to multiply with 5 and 0. 2 multiplied by 5, 10. 2 multiplied by 0, 0. And 3 multiplied by 1, 3. 3 multiplied by 6, 18. And now for the answer, 10 plus 3, 13. And 0 plus 18 is 18. So this is our answer. Question number 12. Write down the type of correlation you will expect for the following. The average speed of a train and the time taken for a journey. Part B, the distance traveled by a car and the amount of fuel used. Do you know the different types of correlation? There are 3 types of correlation: negative, positive, and no correlation. Negative correlationship is the relationship between two variables. What are our two variables in part A? The speed of a train and the time taken. So negative correlation is a relationship between two variables in which when one variable increases, the other decreases. As the speed of the train will increase, the time taken will decrease. So the first one is negative. Positive correlationship is when one increases, the other variable also increases. When one decreases, the other decreases. So if the distance traveled by a car is more, the amount of fuel used is also going to be more. So this is positive. And then no correlation. No correlation means there is no effect of change in one variable on the other variable. Question number 13. The scale drawing shows a rock R. The scale is 1 centimeter represents 30 meters. A lighthouse L is 210 meters from R on a bearing of 125 degrees. On the diagram, mark the position of L. First thing we will do is convert 210 meters into centimeter. We know that 1 centimeter is equal to 30 meters. Therefore, 210 meters will equal to how many centimeters? We cross multiply. 210 multiplied by 1 will give us 210. 30 multiplied by x, 30x. Divide by 30, 210, and you will get x is equal to 7 centimeters. So we found the distance. Now for the bearing. In the description, I will put the link to my video explaining bearings. Please have a look at that. And now we need to find on a bearing of 125. The first thing you need to know about bearing is that it goes clockwise from north. So this is north. It goes clockwise like this. So this is the 125 we need to find here by putting a protractor. I made a mark here, and now we'll measure 7 centimeter. This is 7 centimeter. This is 125, and this is the position L. Question number 14. We have to make W the subject. There are two ways to do this. I'll show you both the ways. In first, we do not expand the bracket. We move the 2 to the other side. This means multiply. So it is 2 multiplied by this bracket. When I move to the other side, it will be a divide. Therefore, P divided by 2. And then we will move the h to the other side. It's a plus. When we move to the other side, it will be a negative h. So this is one way of solving. The other way is we'll expand the bracket. 2 multiplied by w is 2w, and 2 multiplied by h, 2h is equal to p. This will move to the other side, which will be p minus 2h. And then, because this is a multiply here, when I bring 2 to the other side, it will be a divide. So both your answers are right, and you can choose any method to solve it. Question number 15. Gennaro measures the length L centimeter of his desk as 120 centimeter correct to the nearest centimeter. Complete the statement above the value of L. When you want to find the upper bound and the lower bound, you read the question. It is correct to the nearest centimeter. So 1 centimeter, right? Divided by 2. What will you get? 0.5. To find the upper bound, add 0.5. You will get 120.5. And to get the lower bound, subtract 0.5. We will get 119.5. Next, solve 7x minus 5 is equal to 16 to find x. So we have to make x the subject. First, we move the 5 to the other side. It will become positive. 16 plus 5, 21. This 7x means 7 multiplied by x. So when we move the 7 to the other side, it's going to be a divide. 21 divided by 7, 3. So x is equal to 3. Question number 17. Without using a calculator, work out 12 over 35 multiplied by 7 over 9. You must show all your working and give your answer as a fraction in its simplest form. So we are going to use the calculator, but show that we are not using the calculator. The first thing, multiply the denominators. 12 multiplied by 7, you will get 84. And then 35 multiplied by 9, you will get 315. Now put this in the calculator and you will get the answer 4 over 15. You see I left an empty space here. We need to know by which number did we divide 84 to get 4 and 315 to get 15. So on the side, like in your rough work, use a calculator, divide 84 by 4 and you will get 21. So right here, divided by 21. That's it. You don't have to show this work. This is enough. So 84 divided by 21 is 4. 315 divided by 21 will give you 15. The answer is 4 over 15. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. For question number 18 onwards, please watch part 2. Do share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching.